Welcome to the future of AI. Next generation Google AI called Gemini. The topics of artificial intelligence and machine intelligence are hotly debated around the globe. Though Google built Bard to compete with ChatGPT, ChatGPT has had a profound impact on the world. Mercury hopes to compete with GPT-4 and Meta's Lima 2 with this new model. It has therefore chosen to launch Gemini. Media reports state that Gemini will soon be accessible to Google Bard and Google Pixel users globally. This AI is extremely sophisticated and capable of multitasking in real time. It's so strong that it can work on text, photos, movies, and coding all at once. Let's see the demonstrations. Google's demo is absolutely insane. It can recognize what's going on in a video feed.
What movie are they acting out here?
I think they are acting out the famous bullet time scene from The Matrix.
Like this guy draws a duck, then the AI tells.
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
It plays the game of find the ball under the cup, and even after the cups are scrambled up, it still knows where the ball is.
The cup to the left.
Nice.
You've added an amp. Now it's an electric guitar. We can make some seriously loud music now.
ChatGPT-4 can recognize only text, but this Gemini can recognize text, images, videos, file coding, and many more. That's why we are predicting that this will be the most powerful tool in the world. What do you think about it? This AI will lead the world. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe the channel for futuristic AI tools video.